My absolute favorite thing to bake, macarons, because I feel like they're so particular and they're so precise. Like if you do one extra fold, they're done for. I think that's what I enjoy about it most. And they're just so tiny and cute, and I like tiny desserts, so it works out. Ever since I was small, I wanted to own my own bakery. My grandma definitely put that influence in me. I love baking because of her, and it's just something that makes me happy when I see other people happy. So just seeing that in my own house made me feel like I want to do that forever. I want to make other people happy with baked goods and stuff. One of my big goals in my baking career is to compete on Spring Baking Championship on Food Network, because I compete now and I just love like the thrill of it, and I love being able to like push myself. That is the main thing that made me choose this college over other colleges, was the amount of emphasis they put on competitions. They've pushed me so far to the point where I was like, I didn't even know I could do that. Chef Miller competed on a Netflix series called School of Chocolate. It's just so cool to like know like, hey, like she's my coach. She was on this show. Like she's doing what I want to do later. So it's so nice to like have that influence here and like know it's achievable. People come out of this program successful and ready for whatever they want to do. And it makes me feel confident in myself. Once I leave here, I can accomplish whatever I want to do in the future.